Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. If you ever need to restore a deleted form in Wix, it's still possible to do so as long as it's still within 180 days since the day it was deleted. Beyond that, it will no longer be possible to restore it. So, here's how you can do it. On your site's dashboard, go to Customers and Leads on the left and go to Forms and Submissions. Go to the Filter dropdown and select Deleted Forms. All of your deleted forms within 180 days will show up here. Look for the form you want to restore and click the Restore button next to it. It will then be removed from the deleted forms and moved back to the All Forms or All Active Forms category. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.